In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Teams desktop app for a Windows computer or device. To begin with, you'll need to open your preferred web browser, then go to the Microsoft Office 365 homepage. So in the URL of your preferred web browser, type in www.office.com and press enter. Once the Office homepage has loaded, sign in to your account using your Abingdon and Whitney College email address and your password. Once logged in, the Office 365 apps will appear here down the left hand side. You should be able to find a Teams icon. If you can't, go to the All Apps icon down in the bottom left hand corner. Click on this, and from the list of the Microsoft apps, you should be able to find the Teams one. Open the Teams app. It might come up with a button saying get the Windows app. You can click on that. You can click on that button, or once the Teams interface loads, you can go to the top right hand corner, go to the three dots, open the menu and click download the desktop app. And once we click that, it will bring us up with this window here. Just click Save File and wait for that to successfully download onto your computer. Once that's downloaded, open your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. In here, you should see one file that looks like this, Teams_Windows_x64. with the little Teams icon. If you double click on this file, it should begin to install the desktop version of Teams. Once that's successfully installed onto your computer, it should open a sign-in window. Once again, if you use your Abingdon and Whitney College email address and password to sign into your Microsoft account. Once you've signed in, it should bring up your Teams interface and it should look something like this. In this window, you should be able to see the teams that you're enrolled in. Now that the desktop app has been successfully installed onto your computer, to make it easily accessible, whilst it's open, you can go down to the taskbar here at the bottom of the screen, highlight the Microsoft Teams app, right-click, and you can pin this to the taskbar. So once you click that, that means that this little icon will always be here even if you close the app. If you're having trouble finding Teams, open your Start menu and try to search for it, or scroll down to Microsoft Teams and you should be able to open it from there. Go to the OAL welcome page for more videos. Thank you for watching.